Hello viewers, showmen with quality topics, oil and gas field, quality control. Do you know what is destructive testing for weldment? As the name suggests, the test destroys the weld coupon. It is become unusable. Unlike after NDT, the weld coupon can be used. Why destructive testing is required for weldment? To understand the specific properties such as chemical, mechanical and metallurgical. To supplement, confirm or establish the limits of NDT and to provide supporting information. For procedure qualification, testing of welders and welding operators, for production quality control, destructive tests are used. The name of some destructive tests are bend test, tensile test, macro etching test, impact test, hardness test, etc. If you like to know this type of topics in detail, please join my main channel where I am discussing all types of quality topics regularly. Thanks, showman.